The brand new YoloBox Pro is here and comes packed with a ton of new features as compared to the YoloLiv YoloBox. In this video, we're going to take a look at both switchers and find out which one is best for your production. Let's compare this unit, the YoloBox Pro, to the original YoloBox. You can see already that the YoloBox Pro provides more screen real estate and space to work in. There's a significant size difference. Let's see how much. The YoloBox Pro is about 9 inches wide with an 8-inch screen, giving users a ton of space to play with. Let's compare that to the YoloBox, which has about a 7-inch screen. This is still great for a lot of compact workflows, but for users who want more space to work in, YoloBox Pro is the answer. As you'll see here, your ports are significantly expanded on YoloBox Pro with an extra HDMI. There's also 2 USB Type-C ports versus YoloBox's 1. Lastly, YoloBox Pro has 2 audio inputs, a line in and a mic in, while YoloBox only has 1. When you take these ports and put them into action, the difference between the YoloLiv YoloBox and the new YoloBox Pro are apparent. For starters, the ability to bring in 3 HDMI cameras on the YoloBox Pro versus the 2 HDMI cameras on the YoloLiv YoloBox is a significant difference. For many live stream productions, 3 cameras is the sweet spot. The USB port on top of both YoloBoxes can be used for either an external USB storage device or a USB camera source. Users on the YoloLiv YoloBox can bring in a 3rd camera using the USB port, while users on the YoloBox Pro can use that port as a 4th camera input. The USB port on the YoloBox Pro is also a USB 3.0, while the USB input on the YoloLiv YoloBox is USB 2.0. The YoloBox Pro also offers an input for USB-C sources. This USB-C port will be great for users trying to bring in a picture from a GoPro or a drone. If the original YoloBox is plugged into the wall, it can't take a USB-C source, whereas the YoloBox Pro has 2 USB-C ports, meaning it can charge and take an input at the same time. Podcasters and audio professionals will also love the YoloBox Pro. The original YoloBox has one line-in 3.5mm audio jack. The YoloBox Pro features that same 3.5mm line-in jack, but also has a mic-in port. This allows for 2 audio sources to be brought in to the YoloBox Pro and mixed. When it comes to speed, the YoloBox Pro is also a little faster and more responsive than the YoloBox. The YoloBox Pro uses a Qualcomm 660 CPU, while the original YoloBox uses a Qualcomm 625 CPU. For outdoor users, the YoloBox Pro also packs a 400 nit display as compared to the original YoloBox's 350 nits. The YoloLiv YoloBox is currently available at $899, while the YoloBox Pro is priced at $1,299. We hope this video has been helpful at deciding which YoloBox is right for your production.